In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Snapchat Ads Pixel on your Shopify store, a vital task for enhancing your online marketing efforts. Ensuring that your Snapchat Ads Pixel is correctly installed allows you to effectively track conversions, optimize ads based on collected data, and build powerful remarketing strategies. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to your Shopify admin page. This is the central hub where you manage all aspects of your online store, so you'll want to make sure you're logged in. Once there, navigate to your store's homepage. The homepage is like the dashboard for your Shopify store, offering an overview of your store's activity and performance metrics. Here you'll want to seek out the button labeled Ad. Clicking on this is our next step to integrating Snapchat ads. After accessing the Ads section, follow the link to the Shopify App Store. The App Store in Shopify is your gateway to enhancing your store's functionality with thousands of available apps and integrations. These can range from marketing tools to inventory management systems, essentially anything you need to run a successful online business. Once you're in the App Store, you'll need to head to the search bar and type in Snapchat ads. This will bring up a list of relevant applications related to Snapchat advertising. Keep an eye out for the specific app called Snapchat Ads Pixel. It's crucial to select the correct application to ensure your pixel is set up correctly. Click on the Snapchat Ads Pixel app link once you've found it. Details about the app will be shown, including features, reviews, and more, which can be helpful in choosing the right tool for your store's unique needs. Here, you want to aim to find an app that directly integrates a pixel for Snapchat advertising, so you can easily track visitors from your Snapchat campaigns. Finally, hit the Install button to download and integrate the application into your Shopify store. This step is pivotal as installing it sets the foundation for all subsequent tracking and interaction with Snapchat ads. After installation, you may be required to configure any settings or connect it to your Snapchat ad account, so be sure to follow any additional on-screen instructions to complete setup. And that's it! You have now successfully installed the Snapchat Ads Pixel on your Shopify store. This addition will allow you to leverage Snapchat's vast user base, track user interactions on a deeper level, and refine your advertising strategies for enhanced performance. Thanks for watching, and happy marketing!